नायब अमरीकी सदर जेडी वेंस ने बावर कराया है कि ईरान से माहदे के 3 बुनियादी नुकात हैं कि इसके पास कभी भी जौहरी हथियार नहीं हो सकते। आबना हरमस खुली रहेगी। तीसरे नंबर पर ईरान के लिए मुख्तलिफ फ़वाइद और मराद ज़ेर गौर हैं जो मुनासिब रवैया इख्तियार करने पर मिल सकती हैं। अगर वो ऐसा नहीं करता तो उसे कुछ भी नहीं मिलेगा।
The agreement's actually very simple. It says, 1, Iran can't have a nuclear weapon. 2, the Straits of Hormuz are open. And number 3, there are all of these benefits contemplated that the Iranians can get if they behave, if they stop developing terrorism, if they stop funding terrorism, if they stop supporting the rebuilding of the nuclear arms program, they actually can get some real benefits. If they don't do any of that stuff, they don't get anything. And I think that's where a lot of the misunderstandings come from, is you've got Iranian propagandists out there saying, well, we get all these things. And they leave out the fact that they only get those things if they fundamentally transform themselves as a country. So the United States wins either way. As the president said, either they get nothing, we destroyed their nuclear program and the Straits of Hormuz are open, or they fundamentally transform themselves, and that's a big win too. It's really up to them.